Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Threads account. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open Threads app in our device. Then we need to click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. And here we can see our Threads account. From here, we just need to select the two-bar icon from the top right corner and select account. Here, we need to select deactivate profile. Now a pop-up will show asking if you want to deactivate your Threads profile. Now from here, we need to click on Learn More and we will be directed to the Instagram Help Center. As you can see here, Threads is powered by Instagram. So if we want to delete Threads profile, we need to delete our Instagram account. Now simply click on Delete your Instagram account. From here, we can see all the necessary steps on how to delete our Instagram account on a mobile browser. After that, get out of Threads and open Instagram app. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here select the three-bar icon on the top right and select Settings. From here, we need to open Account Center and then select Personal Details. From here, tap on Account Ownership and Control and then select the option deactivation or deletion. Now select your Instagram profile. Here we will see two options, deactivate account and delete account. We just need to select delete account and tap on continue. From here, we just need to select any reason on why we are deleting our Instagram and then tap on continue. After that, we need to put our password to delete our Instagram account. And by doing so, it will delete our Threads account.